Hello.
Hello, teacher.
My name is Teacher D. What's your name?
My name is Yumi.
How are you, Yumi?
I'm good.
How old are you?
I'm 6 years old.
This is a classroom. What is it?
It's a lock.
What color is the clock?
The lock is white and red.
What is it?
It's a ball.
What color is the board?
The board is a green and brown.
What is it?
It's a teddy.
What color is the teddy?
It's a wow.
What is it?
It's a car.
What color is the car?
It's a red and black.
What is it?
It's a keyboard.
What color is the skateboard?
The keyboard is blue and yellow.
What is it?
It's a rubber.
Is it a rubber or a skipping rope? What color is the skipping rope?
It's red and wow.
Okay. What color is the bag?
The pen is a pink.
How many bags do you see?
I see 3 bags.
What is it?
It's a tag.
How many desks do you see?
I see 3 tags.
What is it?
It's a book.
How many books do you see?
I see 6 books.
Can we count the books?
7.
7. Okay. What is it?
It's a rubber.
How many rubbers do you see?
I see 3 rubbers.
What is it?
It's a pencil.
How many pencils do you see?
I see 4 pencils.
Okay. Look at these toys. I've got a doll. I've got a skipping rope. I've got a board game. I haven't got a kite. I haven't got a teddy. I haven't got a boat. What about you?
I got a kite. I got a teddy. I got a ball. I got a robot. I haven't got a car. I haven't got a bingo. I haven't got a board game. I haven't got a car.
Okay. Let's do some spelling. What is it?
It's a board game.
Can you spell board game?
P-O-A-R-D-C-I-N-C-E.
M.
N-E. Keep
Board game.
board game.
What is it?
It's a land.
Can you spell plane?
P-L-I-N-E. Land.
What is it?
It's a keeping rope.
Can you spell skipping rope?
Sklippingrope. Keeping rope.
Okay, good job, Yumi. Goodbye.
Goodbye, teacher.